So, we have to reach that platform where we can talk with Rishikesh. That is a spiritual platform. That is possible. The more you become purified, you can talk with Rishikesh, who is within yourself. He is not outside. Although he is Goloka Vrindavan, Krishna is always in Vrindavan, in the spiritual world. But because he is Krishna, he can remain with you also at the same time, simultaneously. This is Krishna. Goloka eva nivasati akhilatma bhuta. Goloka nam nijadham nitale chatasya devi mahesha haridhamusu tesu tesu tete prabhava nichaya vihitasya jena govindamadi purisam tamaham. It is proposed our Mayapur temple will be on this plan. Goloko namni nijadhamni tale chatas. The highest planetary system, spiritual, that is spiritual planet, that is named Golokonam, Goloka Vrindavan. We have given that picture in the Bhagavad cover, perhaps you know. The topmost original planet is the Goloka. Goloka Namni Nijadhamni. That is the abode of Krishna, Krishna Dham. Krishna Dham. People are searching after God. But actually there is the planet where God lives, Krishna lives. But you have got your machine, aeroplane, Sputnik. You can reach there, but you cannot reach even the highest planet, even on this material planet, material universe. The highest, everyone we see the stars or planets. Now you have got the machine, you go there. No, you cannot go. You are so limited. Even you cannot go to the moon planet, which is so nearest. You cannot go. But still we are proud of these airplanes, Sputniks. We are thinking, now we have become God. These rascals, they do not know what is God. They are all rascals. They have no idea what is God. Therefore, they are accepted another rascal as God. This is going on. You cannot reach panthastu koti satavatsa sampragamya vayo rathapi manaso munipungavara sapasti japrapadasina avicintata. Shastra gives you, just like your material science also gives you information that there is one planet, highest planet, and one can go there by Sputnik in 40,000 of years. Now he is going to live 40,000 years to reach there. But they have got theoretically all these things. The highest planet, material, that is not spiritual. So, after finishing this material world, there is covering of the universe. Stock matter, Mahattva. Where from all this material comings? There is stock. So, you have to penetrate through that stock material. And each layer of stock is 10 times more than the other. So you have to pierce through the stock, material stock, then you reach the spiritual world.